Hello everyone, this is Ben from Senior Computer Services International. Today I'm going to take you through digital marketing. I want us to see the basics of digital marketing. So this course is available on our online learning platform that is linked in the bio below. And never forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more updates. So we are going to see all aspects of digital marketing, and by the end of this course you should be able to determine basic aspects. So let's begin with digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing, this is just a marketing and advertising of business, a person, product or service using an online channel. We can use electronic devices like smartphones and others, and digital technologies. So if you are able to put your business over the internet or online, that one is categorized under digital marketing. And if you are able to use basic online tools, it's also Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, all those are categorized under digital marketing. Using using an electronic device for marketing purposes is what is referred to as digital marketing. Using online platform, any online platform. So we have TVs. TV is digital, and then we have analog. Okay, TV might seem to be digital, but it can also be it's not pure digital. Why? Because it uses online like it is locally watched, like it's layers. Though some find that some TV station, why better than traditional marketing? Why is it that digital marketing is better than traditional marketing? So digital marketing is higher in income, in raising funds, is higher in reaching many people or larger audience. By traditional, you find that it's local, worked by people under the same locality. That's why you find that digital marketing is larger than traditional marketing. And when we adopt digital marketing, you find that you beat traditional marketing by 10%. So we find digital marketing is simple to measure. You are able to know your profits, which is not common to traditional marketing. Because traditional marketing, it requires you constantly investigate your inputs. Traditional marketing, it's expensive and less effective, whereas digital marketing is effective and less okay. Traditional marketing, you find that it is expensive to implement and it is less effective. Yet digital marketing is more effective and less expensive. I can invest in little and I get more profits or yields or implementation. Yes, traditional is more expensive and the effect is not seen or is less compared to digital marketing. So those people that use online tools find that they invest less and they gain more. and those who are in digital or traditional marketing, like using TVs, newspapers, radio station, they invest in more, and the implementation, like the product, you find that it's less. Though I'm not saying that it is not important. It's also important to have traditional marketing. So traditional marketing is fixed or standardized. Is fixed or standardized? Yes, traditional digital marketing, you can customize, like you can change features anyway. But if I say I have produced a newspaper, I have spotted a certain advert in a newspaper, how it is produced, you find that whoever will come across that advert, it will be like that. But under digital, you can change depending on the audience. I can say, let me give this to a particular audience. Traditional marketing is local, whereas digital marketing is global. Anyone from anywhere can access digital services, or digital can access information under digital marketing. Yet traditional marketing, it's done within a particular locality. So that's when I say local, that's your village and the community where you stay. Those are the people that will benefit from your marketing. Yet in digital, people from across the world will be able to access your piece of digital marketing. We have search engine optimization. Your competitors have a better content. You can weak keywords. You can use poor link building actives. Your web page can load time is slow. Your website doesn't have a good user interface. Your website is de-indexed by mistake. So this one optimization, this search engine optimization, you find that for it can help us solve all of that. You can find that the search engine optimization tool, it can determine where the weakness is, and it is rectified, and then you are able to solve it, and then community using AI and other tools are able to produce a perfect solution for the audience, for them to be attracted to your service. Remember, a good advert attracts more customers. So if you are able to advertise very well, then your customers can join you. So your competitor can have better content, and then you have using this, then you can be able to overshine them. So we have what you call one-page search engine optimization, and then you have off-page search engine optimization. Under on-page search engine optimization, this is just optimizing web elements. You have a web page, then you are able to optimize elements within that. Then off-page, this is another process of improving your luck on the search engine results. So when someone goes to any internet to browse, your site will rank higher compared to others, whereby people will be able to access your page. That's search engine optimization. It's optimized for easy access, and whereby it can be accessed easily. Let's talk about social media marketing. Social media, that's using online tools like Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat, among others. You can check history quickly. You are working with those platforms. Effective strategy publishing and listening, even engaging, whereby you can engage with your audience. You can publish easily any product. From 1997, that's when it started emerging. 2009, it developed up to now. we are able to use social media. Use that social media that you are having, or that social media, because you find that many people are using social media platform. Use those platforms for engaging, for running, for promoting your business. So I encourage you to use social media. So social media marketing, you put your product to your social media apps, and then people are able to engage. And then people will be able to give you products or money or anything that you want them to give you. Social media is easy to use, easy to handle, and then those are the sites that you usually use. So I encourage you to use those platforms of yours, and then we shall be able to develop our businesses. Let's talk about content marketing. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focusing on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and constant content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, and ultimately to drive profitable customer action. So you create content for people, for the audience or your audience, or for you to get money from your audience. Your audience says it is when it is productive. Your competition is doing it, whereby the content you put to boost your visibility, it will help to grow business. Customer reality, people will be following you, and then and then you'll be able to, if you are loyal to them, then you increase sales, and then you will reduce on the costs of expenses, meaning it will increase sales, and then you lower the expenses. So it's cost saving. Content marketing, you create content based on a particular item you want the audience to know. Many people nowadays are using TikTok and the other social media apps for fun or entertainment. Then we have what we call affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. They can give commissions ranging from less than 1% to 20%. Sellers and product creators, they are the ones that use that affiliate marketing. So we use affiliate use them to attract the audience. So what are the skills you need in digital marketing? Demonstrate experience, demonstrable experience leading and managing SEO or searching, marketing database, email, social media, display advertising campaign. Are you good in convincing a client? Are you good in using email, social media? Are you good in organizing advertising campaigns? Are you creative with experience in advertising? or identifying target audiences that you engage and inform and even motivate. Do you have experience in optimizing landing pages and user channels? Do you have a solid knowledge in website analytics tools like Google Analytics, Net Insights, Web Trades, and others? And then use strong analytical skills and data-driven thinking. Thank you.